I'm watching, you know what? I'm watching the trending dance because I wanted to follow. I hope I can follow it. Ay, by the way, about the mangagaw grass or tawa-tawa. Imagine, I was cleaning outside. I saw in the grass. It's just what we call in our place sagbot. Diba, damo? Oh gosh, I did not even know that this very effective grass for dengue, asthma. Maybe pwede din ito sa sa COVID. I will try. That's why I'm making. It's there. I wanted to examine it. Baka it's not toxic. I will try. I will try because it really looks like. Really looks like. So.